Hello subscribers, welcome to my channel Tech 365. Today I'm gonna show you some interesting tip and trick to unlock your phone when you forget your password or you forget your PIN and your fingerprints doesn't match. So let's get started. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel to follow all my future videos. Let's get started. First step is to turn off your phone completely and check for your power button and volume down and up button. So hold volume button down and power button simultaneously for 5 seconds, and once you press that and the screen gets loaded, we enter into bootloader mode, and here first screen it would ask for the password of your phone. So I'm just entering my password and get into the phone, and now all your data is getting decrypted, and it will ask for the language, so choose English, and here you have different options. You can see here and here you can see wipe cache data. So if you wanna remove your password or your screen pattern, you wanna click on this, and here there are three options. So you want to click on erase everything, and you have to confirm. It says a warning that it cannot be recovered, so you have to confirm if you like to completely remove your password or the PIN from your phone, and click on continue, and the complete data is wiped and your phone will be resetted as a factory reset. Like when you buy a new phone, the default apps only be installed, so your phone will be in that mode, and your fingerprint and your pattern lock will be completely removed. Please try and just comment your comments below if this works for you. The second method which we're gonna see is for motor phones. So motor phones, the procedure is quite the same, but the interface will be different. So let's continue pressing the power button and the volume down button. Just continuously press for a few seconds, and you get this kind of you'll get this kind of bootloader menu. So come down, go to recovery mode, and once you go to recovery mode, you will ending up with the next screen saying no command. So just press the power button and the volume up button. So when you press that, you will get this kind of menu. So here you can see reboot system now, reboot bootloader. You have several options. So here you have to click on wipe data and factory reset. So when you press that, it'll ask for the confirmation. Do you have to reset for the factory reset? And if you confirm it, the whole data will be deleted from your phone, and your screen lock and the screen lock with the PIN pattern or the fingerprint will be erased, and your phone will be restored as a factory reset. When you buy a new phone, you will have a default app. The phone will be turned to the factory reset mode. Hope this is clear. Third method I'm going to show you is to how to unlock your smartphone by Windows 10 by installing a dr.fone software. Let's get started. First go to Google and type dr.fone, where you'll get the official website. So click on it and click here free download, and now you want to save the exe file. So this is the setup application, so double click on it and click yes and install the software. It will take a couple of minutes to completely install in your system, so please be patient till it gets installed. Alright, the installation is over, and click on start now. Before clicking start now, please ensure your phone is connected with the computer with the USB port with the C-type cable of your Android phone. So now you have the interface of the application. Now click on screen unlock. So first download the plug into your computer. So once you click, this will be the second screen, and now we are using Android phone, and it is possible to unlock iPhone screen and unlock Apple ID as well. So now let's get started with the Android phone. So click on this menu, and please ensure your phone is well connected with your system. Now the connection is being established between your computer and the phone, and now you wanna just wait until it matches the model and downloads a particular configuration from online, and then you can proceed with unlocking your phone. So it would take a couple of minutes more as well to check the phone is compatible with the software, and if there are some files are missing, it would download it from online. So let's wait until it's get over. Now you can see the process is about to get completed. So now the configuration is complete. Now click